How to set up Shopify inbox. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. This is basically going to add live chat to your store, and this is going to obviously be very useful. So let's just go and get to it and not waste much time. Click on the apps section from your Shopify admin and click on all recommended apps. Click on Shopify app store. Next up, all you need to do really just go to the top and search for Shopify inbox. And you should be able to find it right away. It's going to be this one right here. Simply click on install. So the first thing that you may want to do is actually download the app on your mobile phone. It's going to be on iPhone or your Android device. It's going to be there. Just look up Shopify inbox. You should be able to find it. So once this is done, we need to actually toggle on the store chat from the app embeds. So you can just click on turn on chat. This is going to take you to your Shopify editor where you enable the app from there. So it's going to take you to this section here, which is app embeds. This is going to be toggled off. Just make sure that it is turned on now. And here you can just feel free to start customizing how it actually looks like. So the background color is going to change. If you change that, it's going to also change. So I'm just going to click on that and make sure that it is back to normal. And go to the text option. Again, it's going to change the text color if you want it to change. So all of these branding options and design aspects, you can feel free to go through one by one and set them up. This is going to be how it looks like from the outside. If you click on it, it's also going to show you the preview from the inside as well. And once you actually click on it, you're going to be able to see different aspects to it. Hold on, let's just go back to the app embeds. Go to this one right there. Okay, so you have the again the customization options, but then we also have the horizontal positioning, whether you want it to be on the left side of your screen or the right side of your screen, and also the vertical position. I'm just going to leave it at lowest and toggle this off. You also have the greeting message here, which is hi, message us with any questions. We're happy to help. This is the default one. You can just feel free to add a different one from here, and you can even see the preview happen right in front of you right here. It's just going to take a little bit of time, as you can see. So I'm just going to remove this and leave it as the default. And once you're happy with all the changes you have actually made, you simply just want to click on save from the top right corner and go back to this page. So now you have two different things to set up. First, the chat settings, and also the available hours. I'm just going to start with the available hours right away. So click on that and you should be able to find all the different hours you have in here. This is going to matter because you can actually change the first reply, whether you're actually available or not. It's going to basically be an automation where it actually depends whether you're available or not. So just make sure you set up your weekly hours from here. Okay, so once you actually set up your hours, you can turn on the automated first reply, click on turn on. And now you can actually adjust them as you like. You have the during available hours message and also the outside of available hours message. So again, this is going to be if you're actually available, this is going to send out automatically and it's going to look something like this. Someone is going to say hello. Your store is going to say this basically sentence right here. So this is during the available hours, and again, this is the outside of available hours. You can basically turn it off if you don't really want it, but you can again just adjust it if you like to. Again, this is going to be based off of these right here. Next up, we can just click on chat settings. So the first option here, which is the online store chat, if you click on customized chat, this is pretty much what we already adjusted. The colors, the design wise, the hi message at the beginning here at the top. This is basically what happens if you click on customize chat. But we can also set up instant answers. You're going to find the track my order one right away. So if someone says this, you're just going to go ahead, not you, but the store is going to basically send this chat right away. And you can just do other ones as well. You can click on create instant answer, and this is going to allow you to create your very own one. So this is going to be a question. If someone asks this is going to be the answer and it's going to be automated. And by the way, if you're wondering, they don't really need to type in the question as it is exactly, because this is more like, they actually pick one of the questions available. It's more like an FAQ section, which is common questions that people ask. Okay, so don't worry about it. Set up as many as you like, knowing that people will actually choose them from the options. And lastly, if you scroll down to the bottom, you should be able to find the pre-chat form. This is going to be a message that is going to be sent to your customers if they leave during a conversation. So it's just going to automatically send it to the emails that they have provided, and you can obviously just adjust the message right down here. So this is all you need to do, and this is pretty much how to customize the entirety of Shopify Inbox. You have the instant answers, you have the available hours, and the automated first messages depending on your available hours, and also the design aspect, obviously, in pre-chat form. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.